Bronny James is turning heads in the NBA Summer League, and this time it's not just because of his name, but it's actually because of his game. After a quiet debut, Bronny came alive against the Miami Heat, dropping 10 points in just 11 minutes, including an insane dunk that set the tone and had even the crowd hyped up. The moment was electric, and Bronny let everyone know that he came to play. But it hasn't been just about his offense. Bronny has also stood out defensively as well, especially in his first matchup against Cooper Flag. That game between the Lakers and the Mavericks averaged 955,000 viewers on ESPN and peaked at 1.1 million live viewers, making it the fourth most watched Summer League game in NBA history. I mean, Bronny was all over Flag like a cheap suit, especially around the perimeter, in the paint, and almost everywhere on the floor. In his following game against the Pelicans, he even let Jeremiah Fears know that he had no fears heading into this game and had 14 points, 3 assists, and 2 steals, which was a game that showcased his potential as a two-way contributor on the court, and this led to confident drives to the basket and quicker decision-making on the floor. And finally, in his most recent game against the Clippers, he had 17 points, 5 rebounds, and 5 assists. Bronny isn't just LeBron's son trying to fit in anymore, and he's proven that he has the right skills, the right mindset, and the work ethic to write his own NBA story. And this Summer League has started a new chapter of Bronny's NBA journey.